Do you want to blame me for everything you forgot to do today?
Why not? Why not? You guys, hi babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good night. Look at my fine husband. Look at him blushing. Blush man. Blush man. Blush. So where's the bracelet? You haven't weird up. Exactly. You haven't weird to the point where you forget that you have it. Didn't I buy you a bracelet?
Yeah, but I have to watch right now.
Yeah, you wear watch on the left and bracelet on the right.
Okay.
You think bracelet wear on the left too? Where you come from, man? You're gonna.
More.
You must wear your bracelet. Is yesterday I see it. You come from Bookmore?
Port Anderson Road.
Is yesterday I see it in Sarah Road. You come from Port Anderson Road?
Yeah. Back food.
Oh, the back road? Hilarious. You guys, tell you a story about back road. When babe came to Jamaica for the first time, when he was staying in Kingston at a hotel and his time was up, and we wanted him to stay closer to me, he stayed at Julia's on the back road for a few days before he stayed at my house. So he loved running back road. You love running back road? Oh my god, we've been through the journeys of life. Run a back road. Baby used to walk from run a back road, come run at my house at Bridgeport every single morning. Spend the day and then go back around and Julius go sleep at night. So he used to come at my house, come spend the day and then go back and Julius go sleep. Them times that we weren't sleeping together yet, so I have to go back home place. No? That was cool. Oh, journey. We had fun though. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? It's hot today. I'm in long sleeve, but I'm sorry I wear this long sleeve. It's hot. We're on our way to do a little supermarket run. Kyla is at school. Hence why we have the princess alone. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to the face. And you say hi. Look. Say hi. 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 Give them high five. High five. High five. Give them a high five. Yeah. Yeah. High five. Yeah. She's so cute and it's also our nap time, but we had to go on the road, so she'll be alright. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay safe. We're in these streets doing a quick supermarket run and then we'll head back home. I've been so busy from morning. I've done so much at home. I even worked out this morning, clean my bathroom and get quite a few things done. But anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up right now before you continue watching. Catch up and keep up. If I have 2,000 views, I'm supposed to have 2,000 thumbs up. Okay? Don't watch and don't give this video a thumbs up. Yes, I'm talking to you. I love you guys. Bonjour. You're giving them French today?
Oui.
Okay.
Maman.
Tu parles français?
When I speak French.
I need to go to the car.
say, go.
When I say something French, you need to repeat what it means in English.
Okay, you guys, so I'm your translator for the rest of today's vlog. You guys, we got back from the supermarket and pick up Tyler from school, and so many other things happened between all that.
Jus de raisin.
Don't you hear me speaking? Why you didn't wait until I'm finished? Don't smile. You think it's funny?
But to become not
I am speaking to you.
But I want to tell you something.
Yeah, but you wait until I finish speaking.
The question was I wasn't laughing to you when you were speaking. I was laughing because
You have the box on your head? You're too funny. You look like you're going to the market. You going to the market? Alright, Tyler don't know what we bought, so Tyler is going to discover all the things that we buy at the supermarket, and baby's going to join us in a bit to do the supermarket haul. Sarah is taking a nap, so I'm trying to hurry and finish this before Sarah wakes up. Alright.
Jus de raisin.
Grape juice.
Carotte. Broccoli. Thank you, Mama.
Why are you saying thank you, Mama? Home, take the things from the top. You're saying thank you because you saw
Dentifrice.
toothpaste. His toothpaste finished. Chocolate milk.
Chocolat au lait. Avocado. No, just avocado.
Avocado. Big stuff. You don't know that. That is something to clean the sink. All we have in here is
Celery.
celery,
Poulet.
chicken.
Celery. Celery.
These are more chicken I'm taking out. Aha! What's this one? I don't know what this is called in French. Honestly, I don't know what this is called in
I
French.
think it's haricot vert.
No. C'est pas haricot vert, it's scallion. I'm gonna find out from Babe what they call it in French. Leave it here, Papa will tell us, okay?
I thought it was haricot
No.
vert, but flat.
No. He said thought it was green, but it was black. He said
What is this?
is Cheetos. Sarah was eating this in the supermarket because that girl put down a piece of crying in the supermarket. I have to be opening everything to give her to eat so she can. Cheetos. You want to taste it?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Hot Cheetos.
Hmm?
Hot Cheetos, you mean?
This is not the hot one.
Where was the hot one? Hot one for you because you love spice.
Yeah, but I don't see the hot one in the supermarket. Alright. I bought. Oh, who that? Who that? Who that?
Supermarket king. Supermarket king.
I bought a lot of pineapple.
I just smashed the apple or something that just pop out like this. I want to put
Where you go? Yeah, as it comes, it's not extra.
There's a piece of apple here. You just press it too much.
You guys, I bought a lot of apple because I'm going to make an apple pie.
You
I'm
don't,
going
she
to
doesn't need no machine to press the apple. She will just buy the hand.
Let me put this camera right so you guys can hear me
And
talking.
then
It's
she get
foolery.
a puree, apple puree. That's how you call apple a compote. That's how they do compote. But she handmade the compote.
I buy a-
Papa, c'est quoi ça?
I don't know.
C'est quoi en français? We don't know what it's called
I
in
don't know.
French. Well, nobody knows what scale is called in French. We're gonna have to Google
Oh no, I can tell you what
Ou
it is.
sinon, on peut regarder sur Internet.
No, Tyler, we don't have the
Exactly.
internet.
it. I was telling you.
Citron.
I was telling you guys that I stopped by Tyler classmate on Saturday, so I'm gonna drop her a apple
It's
pie.
called onion blanc.
Onion blanc.
Oui, c'est
Okay.
un oignon blanc.
Onion blanc, they call it.
White onions.
Well, there you have it. And I picked myself up some extra utensils. Because babe keep eating the utensils. They're just disappearing.
They're yummy. They're very yummy. Yeah, I like to have the knife. I like the taste of the knife. You don't like it?
Oxtail, oxtail.
Well, she yam the bones while I yam the expensive.
You can
When we go to
continue.
the dentist, that's a disaster.
Papa,
Never tell me how terrible
Mama?
soft my teeth is.
Papa,
Well,
Mama?
yes, Dad.
That's
It's
onions,
so many
regular
bones.
onions.
Mama,
Yes, Dad, don't you hear us speaking what you're supposed to say?
Papa, Mama.
What you're supposed to say?
Excuse me,
Right.
Papa.
Yes, Tyler.
Yes, Dad. Papa, Mama, Papa,
You
Mama.
do the same thing and
You're not
Papa,
awesome.
Papa says the things in French like that he can replace me because right now I'm only eating the
So you stop doing the hall?
I stop.
What?
It is fire. I mean, what kind of future
Tyler,
for a
you're
lazy
fire.
boy? You're lazy, like.
If a cheater, so him stop. Alright
what did I
then,
just
not
tell
gonna
you?
show you anything what will go to the supermarket.
Oh no.
But I'm looking.
Oh no,
I'm
you're,
watching.
you're the manager
What
now.
about for
You're
you?
the manager, you're just
What is
looking.
that?
The syrup that you had at Adam's house. That you like.
Tropical syrup. It's not for you. It's only for person who get A without B.
Why you don't leave a bit there alone? You guys are about a piece of melon. It's melon season. Move, you're too lies. Too urine wicked. About a piece of saltfish, because the saltfish almost finished.
Oh, that's why the was so expensive. All of this extra things you got.
Why not hop off of my fender?
Another,
Hop off of my fender, please.
another apple.
Go up here. Don't do that. It's dirty. Red peas.
Red peas for rising
And
beans.
Tyler classmate, mom that I'm dropping the apple pie one Saturday. I'm having them over for
Mama?
lunch and so
Mama?
apple.
Rising
Mama, Papa.
beans.
I saw Adam.
You saw Adam at
Yes.
school today?
Yes.
Okay.
We have raisin.
Raisin, because I'm also
In
gonna make
canteen.
bread pudding.
Oh,
I'm going all out this weekend, honey child.
we have
So don't miss those yummy
garlic.
vlogs coming.
garlic.
And Sarah,
Love
this is
quinoa.
her favorite. Can you tell she's my child?
Spoon.
Yep.
Spoon.
Alright, let's tap into Tyler's favorite bag. Peach. Tyler, you're not
Peach.
talking. Let the
Peach.
bag
Oh,
go.
my peach. I like
Word,
this.
I'm gonna use some of this to make bread pudding.
You keep big pudding about good things.
So bread pudding
is
is
I
not
want
as,
popcorn.
it
I
is
want
not as yummy
popcorn.
as
I
this.
want
I
popcorn.
have been hunting popcorn for many weeks.
Guess
and
who find it, Tyler? Guess who find it? Guess who
Papa
find it?
look up under the...
Yeah, no mama.
He love look up under things, that's why I find
No
this.
mama. I find it. Say thank you.
This is Sarah's favorite
Welcome.
crepe. Not crepe,
Go. Waffle.
but waffle.
Waffle.
And I like these.
Mini pizza. She like mini
If
pizza.
I open this bag,
It's like
done.
petit beurre.
Dead.
She open, she finish.
Dead.
Oh, great.
Cookie and snacks and
Thank you,
comfort
Mama.
pancakes.
Thank you, Papa. Just none.
You find it?
Yeah.
Tyler favorite.
favorite.
And another Tyler favorite.
Waffle. Chocolate.
Waffle,
one.
but chocolate is on it, so the one without
Crepe is
chocolate is
5
for
for
Tyler.
2 euro. Only us. We are the only French guys that bake it. Yeah.
I have to get the recipe right, and since the supermarket already make it, why not? Just buy
Alright, what do we have here?
salmon.
Summer.
Okay, this are I'm gonna make pie, but I'm not gonna make it from scratch, so I buy the crust.
We have yogurt for Sarah. I took caramel this time because there
Tyler,
were no
Papa took
chocolate.
caramel because there's no chocolate. That's okay?
Well, you don't have choice, so.
If there's no chocolate,
There were no
I
chocolate.
need to come and choose a new one.
Okay.
Well, how are you gonna come when you're at school? That's not possible.
I don't wanted that one. I wanted the old
That's
one.
okay. I will
Which
go.
old one?
The old one with this flavor, the strawberry
Okay,
flavor,
so next
the
time.
apple flavor, the banana
Fries, the
flavor.
fries finished. So next time, guys.
Time.
Hey, come.
I'm going.
And in this baggie, wait.
Pizza Friday!
It's Pizza Friday. It's
To mash up everything!
egg. Give it to me.
Like we have eggs. You know, eggs is something that can break. So most of the time we don't put it in a bag. We put it on top. And the last time we leave it in the car for the entire week.
The entire week. Orange for princess.
And then she was wondering, but
why did I have no egg?
did I eat all of the egg? That's a good thing it wasn't the cheese. Can you believe if it was the cheese that stayed inside the car for 1 week?
Alright. We got a one of my favorites.
Olympic.
That's a muscat. I mean, we have to get a foreigner muscat. We have so much good French muscat, but she love.
Mama, you
I
have
love what I love.
Mama, look here.
Yeah.
We got the back too.
Let's finish up the haul.
Yeah, but,
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
We have to buy more than 1 kilo because of our
Apple
apple juice.
Pineapple
juice.
and
Almond
Amanda's.
milk.
Oh, why you take a white Amanda? Why you take this one?
Why not?
Why?
Mama?
Why not? Hold on.
Because
fine.
this one is very different.
No, it's not different.
Very different.
No, it's not. Move.
Mama?
No sugar added.
We have our oil
Mama?
C. You see this?
My oil finally finished because I've made festival last weekend, so I have to replace my
And we have our tuna.
Mama?
tuna, yes, I.
Tuna.
Do you have pasta that is like this too?
Yes.
We have pasta that shape like this.
Yes, I have pasta that shaped like this.
Yeah, me too. I have pasta that's shaped like this.
Okay, because one day I want that
But
pasta.
which side you want? You want that pasta or you want that pasta? Or you want that pasta like this?
Mama, pasta that you have.
No,
Mama,
but Mama have all of the pasta.
No, Mama is going to make the pasta that looks like this.
Like this? Okay.
That looks like that. And then she's going to take the tuna and she's going to mix it. And that's going to be one of my lunch.
That's what you want for lunch, pasta and tuna?
Okay, so you can get that while I get
Okay.
my fries and...
You'll show me the pasta and I'll make it for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys.
And it's going to be tomorrow lunch.
Okay, if that's what you want.
Let's see.
I'll see, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
That's all
somebody's
the
awake.
from the supermarket haul and somebody's awake. Let me go get her and come back. I can hear my... Ha! Hi! Hi, sleep face. Who is that? Thank you. Thank you. Hi, sleep face uptown. Hi, sleep face uptown. Brother, give you Cheetos as you wake up. You guys, look at her. She just wake up. Look, see Fave's there. Look. Look. Say hi. Say hi.
Mama?
Hi.
Mama?
Yes, Dad.
I'm going to start to set.
Start set what?
Set the snacks, the food.
No, that's fine.
No, I want to set them
Set
with
them
you.
where? Pack them out?
Yes.
No. Mama alone have to do that.
Why?
Because I have to
the
fix
crab
them a
is-
certain
I
way.
know.
I have to teach you how to do it. Okay?
Okay.
I'll teach you how to do it. Say hi. Say hi. Give Mama a hug. 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 Hug.
What a piece.
Oh, what a please. Okay.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
you think just like when I said, when I was trying to say please when I was a baby.
What
Say
a
please.
please. Good girl. Thank you, Mama. We're gonna go play with Tata. Is it Tata home? This girl, she cry every single morning when I drop Tyler at school. The minute she see Tyler going through the school gate and say bye to her, she start crying. Ah, the entire school gate start looking at Sarah every single morning. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul. I'm going to go pack out these things and put my family pizza in the oven. This thing just annoying me. I'll come off. Anyway, guys,
Stop.
peace out. What are you eating? What is this? Pizza. You love pizza? What? Pizza. What's that? What's that? Pizza. Mmm. That's your favorite? Oh gosh, our dirty hand in our ear. Soup and pizza. What a combination. Vegetable soup before pizza. That's how we do. I guess this is called the Friday evening chill. You just chilling?
Yes, but
Where you going? Where you going?
Saber.
You're too funny. Princess always enjoy books. Delaveaus night night.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Good girl. You're not finished. X, Y, and Y, and Y, and good girl.
A B C D E F G A B C.
Count. 1,
1,
2,
4,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Well, one. A B C D.
Oh gosh, again. Again.
Yeah.
Sing for them. Mama finger, where are you?
Hey, I do. Mama, mommy, where are you? Hey, I want to.
Yay!
Mama.
Mama finger, where are you?
Hey, I want to.
Yeah! Papa finger, where are you?
Hey,
Alright, let's go to bed, you guys. Sarah is heading off to bed right now with her pretty self. So, it's peace out for my girl.